We've been looking and tracking customer behavior for several years, and a lot of these broadband providers are still, they're still generating paper bills. The fact is, and we see a correlation between paper bills and the want to pay those through phone versus when you're doing an electronic bill, and that's a direct link into making a payment online. So it's a lot easier when you get a paper bill and there's a phone number there, call us here to make a payment, than it is go here, log in, go through, authenticate yourself, go to this place. From both the customer experience and the company experience as well, because what they're doing is they're simplifying, they're removing friction. And the goal of collecting faster, accelerating invoice to cash time is removing the friction from the time that we are trying to collect payment for a bill until that gets paid.
I think you made a great point there. If you're printing paper bills, you probably need a solution like this.
Yeah,
Yes.
agreed. And then you said something that was interesting too, about the time of disconnect and how that can put pressure and stress on our BSPs. And what we've heard, especially from, smaller BSPs, these service providers, they have an all hands on deck mentality when the disconnects go out. So when these notices go out, it's, hey, we all need to focus on this. We all need to be ready to be on the phones. Well, now you're giving them back this time. They can focus on other things. They can focus on walking people through other things because people can go ahead and fix this themselves without calling in, without being angry. And again, like Brian said, rural America, our customers, our broadband service providers, they see their customers at the grocery store. They see them at the local football games. It just really helps ease their burden, ease their friction, and help them with morale, which is important.
Yeah, this is, going, and it's interesting because it is a very tight-knit community. And this is, it does seem a little bit, it's a piece of technology, and you would wonder, well, how can a piece of technology really make an impact and how you build a relationship with your customer? But back to the original, and Brian, you were describing how the current process works. You have to go, we want to tell you, go to the website, uh, and log in, enter your credit card there, although I'm placing a call. And so that's the current process. Uh, Again, our goal as a provider, and I'm talking, putting myself in the shoes of a broadband provider, is to eliminate that friction.